Hey everybody, Marie from Minard's Leisure World, and we have a reflection fifth wheel in the shop today. This is a new floor plan. Well, it's an old floor plan that they revamped. So this is the 280 RS. What you're getting in this couple's coach is a 2-slide outside kitchen model. They have rolled it. It used to be the 29 RS reflection. Now it's a 280, and they moved it over to the half-ton towable units. So we know that by just a quick glance at the pin box here. This is a Turning Point trail air pin box, and this is made for half-ton towable trucks. So if you have a half-ton truck that's a short box, then we're going to need to maximize and use this hitch. If you don't have a short box and you don't need it, then it just works as a regular fifth wheel pin box. So reflection by Grand Design, what you are getting is a 5-side laminated constructed fifth wheel, super well insulated. They have their own laminating plant in the factory. So really talk to us about construction, insulation, tank heaters. This really, they go above and beyond. But for now, let's just look at how pretty it is. So white exterior, nice black and gray decals. These decals are warranted for 5 years, as well as the Goodyear tires are warranted for 5 years. They have a 3-year structural warranty. We've got magnetic holdbacks on your double thick insulated baggage doors. We've got an unobstructed pass-through compartment. And for a half-ton towable fifth wheel, this is really deep. And that is something, you know, they're really conscious on their pin weights. So ask us about that. We've got this equipped with a 4-point automatic leveling system as well. So lots of very high-end features in this mid-profile fifth wheel. You notice here, we've got a friction hinge door with a magnetic holdback. The aluminum entry steps this year, we love these steps. They're lightweight, they clean quite easy, but they did install this solid stance component here. So we can fold these little legs down and it just acts as an extra stabilizer, so you're not bouncing in the trailer. Couple features on this side, remember Goodyear tires, 5-year warranty. We've also got the upgraded suspension system. This is a Minard 3000 suspension system. So fifth wheels usually are on the road quite a bit. So they've upgraded the suspension, less movement in the trailer. Here at the very back, we're going to notice a little camp kitchen. Very popular with most people who like to camp. And you've got a mini fridge and a TV back here. A couple things to point out at the back here. I always say give it a knock. This is laminated, 5 sides, even the slide boxes. So again, when you're doing those product comparisons, ask us those questions. We've got a water port back here. We've got a ladder to get up on the roof for access. Roof has a 15-year warranty and it is fully walkable. You've got a backup camera prep at the top. We have those in-house to install. And then we've also got at the very back, these smaller half-ton towable fifth wheels, lots of times are pulling other trailers. We call that B-training. And in Saskatchewan, we can still do that. So you've got a 4-prong wiring harness and a 2-inch receiver rated for 3,000 pounds. So here we are inside the 280 RS reflection half-ton towable fifth wheel. What you're going to notice is a big opposing slides. We see this in other fifth wheels, but usually at tow weights much more. Right at the door, I'm going to point out a few things. We've got the fantastic fan remote right here. It is fixed, so nobody can lose that. You've got a fantastic fan with the rain sensor, thermostat. We've got our control panel here. Scroll through the picture so you get a look at that. Power awning. We've got LED lights in the awning. And then this has also got the Lippert One Control. You can download the app. You will be able to get your slides, check your tanks, check your battery, do your auto level system, everything right from your phone. So very, very handy. Okay, enough of all that technical stuff. Let's just have a look. Hutch right here, beautiful cabinets, tons of storage. If you're looking for light switches, they're usually under cupboard. And this is a great spot to have a buffet set up or a bar, appliances, and then drawers galore underneath. All these drawers pull all the way out. Here's your fuse panel right here. So if you're looking for it, it's behind a door. We love that. We're going to keep moving right into the kitchen. You've got a glass cover on your beautiful oven and stove. Look at that, it's nice and big. Furrion microwave, again, massive. Plug-ins, island, big sink. Got a plate dryer here. We've equipped this unit with the 8 cubic foot 2-ray refrigerator with the wood fronts there. It's absolutely beautiful. The whole island is storage underneath. We're going to keep going. Okay, so here we are into your entertainment area. Nice storage again. We've still equipped this with the CD and DVD player. The TV is a flat screen and it does pull out and swivel, so if you're sitting on the sofa, you can have a peek. Fireplace. Rear living floor plans tend to have nice big windows at the back, so you can keep an eye on nature and all that great stuff. Beautiful overhead cabinets. These are those blackout roller blinds, so no more day-night shades. Nobody's doing that. You've got a total blackout. So you got day when they're open, night, close them up. Lots of plug-ins. Make sure you check those out on either side. Into your theater seating area here. Beautiful Thomas Paine furniture. You've got the LED lights, the heat and the massage. Nice windows all around again, even in your slide boxes. Over to the dining area. I wasn't 100% sure I was going to love this when they started doing it last year, but they incorporated a bench dinette on one side, the 2 freestanding chairs on this side. It is a fixed table, a little bit of a cubby here for napkins and cards or crib board, whatever. This ottoman can come out of the way. You can move it into the living room. You've got storage underneath, and then this is removable. So if you want to just be able to have a chair on each side, very functional and super comfy. Here, pretty much all of the 150 series reflections are going to have the same bathroom and bedroom. So vanity with the nice storage, same woodwork, and then a little medicine cabinet. Very large shower with the skylight for you tall people. I don't know what that's about. And then a porcelain foot flush toilet. They've added this extra little medicine cabinet above that toilet too, so that's nice. Here we are into the master bedroom. One way that they're getting that nice storage outside, remember we looked at that, is you step up to beside the bed. Still lots of room. Full queen size bed. Lots of built-in cupboards, beautiful sconce slidings, 12-volt charger, 110 plug-ins. It really has it all. And then if you think there's not quite enough storage, there's another little nook back here. Here we are, and this is the extra bank of drawers. You got 4 big drawers, 4, and then you get this nice big cubby right here. Remember, this is a half-ton towable unit. The amount of storage is just crazy. So thanks for joining me in this quick tour of the Reflection 280RS new floor plan, half-ton towable couples 5th wheel. For a complete listing of all of our inventory, visit us at minardsleisureworld.com.